Hey everyone, welcome to Classic Die Products tutorial on repairing cracked leather. In this video we will be using our leather soft fill, but the techniques are similar for use with most of our air dry products. Begin your repair by using the Tri-Clean Prep Cleaner to thoroughly wipe all surfaces that you will be repairing or recoloring. The Tri-Clean can also be used as a wet sanding agent along with fine grit sandpaper to sand out the existing cracks in the surface of the leather. Once the sanding has been completed, you're ready to start filling in the deepest cracks. Use multiple light coats to fill the cracks rather than one heavy coat. You may need to come from different directions to fill the crack properly. Let each coat dry before applying the next coat. A hair dryer or low temperature heat gun can be used to help speed up the drying process. Once the deepest cracks have been filled, you can continue filling in any additional cracks across the surface. The more sanding you can do ahead of time, the less you'll need to do in the way of filling across the rest of your project. On this demonstration, very little sanding was done in an effort to demonstrate the filling capabilities of our leather soft fill. Once all of your filler is cured, come back with a light grit sandpaper and lightly scuff the surface to remove any rough edges. Prep the area before spraying your color coating by covering areas you do not wish to have overspray on. For this demonstration, we are using our Aerosol water-based color coating. Apply a light to medium first coat. For best results, rub that first coat in to get deep into all the crevices of the surface of the leather. To speed drying time, a hair dryer or low temperature heat gun can be used to dry each coat. Each coat should be completely dry before applying the subsequent coat. Once your first coat is dry, use a bare hand to feel the surface of the leather. Use a light grit sandpaper or Scotch-Brite pad to knock down any rough spots or dry areas before proceeding with additional coats. A damp cloth can then be used to remove any sanding dust from that step. Apply additional light to medium coats overlapping each stroke to ensure a uniform finish. An optional coating of our aerosol spray grain can be used to give the surface of the leather a more textured effect. This will prevent the surface from looking too smooth and unnatural. Apply one or two additional coats to finish your project off, again being sure to overlap each stroke. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video provided some insight to help you with some confidence in tackling your next project. Please visit our websites at classicleatherdye.com and classicdieproducts.com to place your orders.